Hey everyone! So we're continuing on with more Dutch pours today. On the last video I showed you how I mix my paints with the Creative Inspirations medium and gloss varnish. So check that out if you want to learn how to mix it. But today we're just using up the paints that we mixed up and just doing some Dutch pours. So these do dry very, very shiny because of the varnish, and they are glossy. But a quick cleanup, and if you want to resin them, they're ready to go. There's no silicone involved, so you don't have to worry about trying to get silicone off of your painting. Let me get this moved around, and we'll do one. Okay. I'm going to need a fresh paper towel because if you can hear it, my gloves are really sticky from that varnish. Okay. So on this one, I'm going to use purple. Oops, let me torch that real quick. Get some bubbles out. This is Dioxazine Violet from Soho. And I think I'll try the blue-green with this. And I'm going to put a little bit of orange on each side so I don't touch the purple or the violet. And I'm going to put some gold there. And let's see what that gives us. So I just go around it lightly on this side and double back on this so I have enough white to push over with my hairdryer. The hairdryer that I use is on my Amazon shop. The link is below for that, as well as all of this paint pouring supply stuff is there. The paints though you'll have to get at Jerry's. I love that right there. I just want to push a couple of pieces out with my airbrush. I love those colors. They did well. I was worried about that orange, but it showed up. And it's not a lot of orange, and it did not muddy up. But the gold went into the purple, and it worked out great. Now when you get a splatter mark and you don't want it, don't put white on it. Touch it with your finger. That'll take it off. Just like when you do the balloon smash, it pulls the paint off. And then you can always put a little bit of white on top of that. So we're going to take it off and put a little white there. Get that corner while I'm there. But that's it, guys. Simple as pie. Just don't over push with the dryer. So there's that one. Isn't that beautiful? I love that blue-green with that orange. It's beautiful. Okay, so all the links are below for everything you need to know. Go back and watch the Dutch pour mix video. It should be like 1 or 2 behind this one. And that will explain everything and show you what consistencies we're looking for. So thanks so much for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye now.